So the first thing that we need to do is mount the thumb drive, and basically what that means is to plug it into your computer and then locate it inside of computer management. So I've already plugged in my thumb drive, so I've completed the first step, and now I need to get to computer management. So what I'm going to do is press the Windows key and the R key on my keyboard pretty close to the same time. And when I do that, this run window will open here. And inside of this run window, I'm going to type in compmgmt.msc. And this is kind of a quick command that gets you to the computer management. So from here, we can click OK or press enter on the keyboard. I'm going to press enter on the keyboard. Wait a few seconds and computer management should open for us. And what we're interested in here is the disk management. And it takes a little while because it's scanning through all of the disks that are inside of your machine. And what we're looking for is our thumb drive. So this first one is not our thumb drive. This is disk 0, which is our operating system. My disk 1 happens to be my RAID. Disk 2 happens to be my working drive. So none of those are it. This is removable media G, so this is for my media card readers. It's not disk 4, not disk 5 or 6. Let's see, disk 7 is my backup drive, and it looks like it is disk 8. And I know it's disk 8 because I know my thumb drive is 8 gigabytes in size, and this is pretty close to 8 gigabytes right here. Let's scroll down anyway and see what other options are. The last one is DVD, so it has to be this one here, this drive letter J. Now if you see your device in here and it doesn't have a drive letter assigned to it, that means the drive letter that your thumb drive wants is already taken. So let's just say, for example, that this thumb drive wanted drive letter D, but you can see that D is taken by my backup drive. So it'll just show up in here as 7.46 gigabytes with no letter. So what you can do is actually assign it a letter. So I can right click on this and choose change drive letter and paths, and then I can click change here and I can give it a different letter. So let's just say I'm going to give it drive letter X and click yes to this. So I don't have any programs installed on this that my operating system is currently using, so I can go ahead and click yes to this. So you definitely don't want to change the drive letter to like your working drive or your operating system drive. Things that are not attached, you can change the drive letter. So in other words, I don't have any programs installed on this drive that I'm currently, like I don't have Office installed. So obviously, if I change the drive letter of this and I'm using Office off of this disk, then it would not work. It would break Office. Alright, so I've just changed this to drive letter X, so this is how you can change the drive letter if the drive letter it wants is taken, or I should say assign a drive letter because it won't have one if the drive letter it wants is taken.